Explain to them what we are about to do.
Well.
But
silently. Okay. Well, we three are gonna move in, unlock my brother's door to where he is sleeping steadily, and we're gonna rape him on camera. Now when I say rape, it's not gonna be the penetrating rape that you all look up on the internet. It's gonna be the kind of rape when you get stuck with a Semtex on Call of Duty. Same type of rape. Let me create our tools really quick. Be right back. Got pliers. Let me build the weapon. Okay, now what we have here is a amateur lockpick.
Genuine amateur lockpick.
Now, we're moving in. I have to do this very silently. We're gonna have to move quickly once the door's unlocked. You can see where I've unscrewed it multiple times. Okay, we got it. Maybe not. It's a difficult procedure. Can't get the lock. Can't get it. It's extremely loud. Okay. Why can't I get it? It's still loud. I hate this game.